Hey everybody, it's December 28th, 2018, and I thought I'd take a moment as we come to the end of this year to say thank you. I appreciate every subscriber that I have on this channel. I appreciate every person that comes by and watches my videos. I also appreciate all the comments and interaction that I get on this channel. It's because of you I do what I do. So thank you very much. It has been an amazing year, and I thought I'd also take this opportunity to kind of reflect back on what an incredible year it has been. This year I created 22 metal doors, with the largest being 8 foot by 8 foot, which was shipped to South Dakota. I also built 6 reception desks. One of them was 14 feet long and went all the way to Chicago. I also just wrapped up 2 of the 5 water features built this year, which went to California. And of course, I can't forget this badass industrial metal table. This year also saw a record number of railroad spike handles sold, at least a couple of hundred. On the more artistic sculptural side, I finished up my small robot, who has become known affectionately as Otis. I also tried my hand at a few other artistic sculptures. While abstract art isn't my strong point, it was fun to sharpen that area. My proudest moment was the completion of the 18-foot metal wings. It was also the most frustrating, as they completely rusted, which is why I ended up powder coating them. On the travel side, I took a last-minute trip to the UK to Maker Central, which was incredible. I decided to take a side trip to Dublin, and let's just say I can't party like I used to. Back in the States, I hiked about 40 miles of the John Muir Trail and then hit the road towards the East Coast. While on the road, I got to see the largest wooden shoe, the largest rocking chair, the largest ruler, and the largest pencil. Once I reached my destination on the East Coast, I helped a friend rebuild her wooden deck and was given the opportunity to build a coffee table with a 100-year-old school desktop. Once I finished my business on the East Coast, I began my journey back to the West, which inadvertently became a pub crawl across America. I passed through Phoenix, went straight to San Diego, where I did a quick bathroom remodel, and then went deep sea fishing. Back in Phoenix, I had the chance to run in a charity 5K race to raise money for firefighters. So as you can see, 2018 was full. I didn't even include the bus in that video. Yeah, the bus is gonna have to move to 2019. 2019 is already starting to fill up with adventures, with events, with projects. So if you want to be a part of this journey, then go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed and you want to get notified each time I put a video out, then hit that bell icon. And as far as your comments go, please make them. I love to interact. So leave a comment down below. Also, check the community board. So I'm starting to utilize that a lot more. We're going to see you in 2019. Looking forward to a positive new year. You have one as well.